Alright guys, I'm doing an unboxing video of some plants that I just bought. These are from aquariumplants.com. So I had bought some 2 weeks ago and it came in basically all dead because of the weather down here was pretty hot. The guys there, Randy, was generous enough to replace the dead plants, and I also placed a couple orders on a couple new ones. So, and I also did a 1-day shipping instead of 2 days, just because it was kind of hot. So figured let's not risk it this time. Nice. Okay. Alright, so let's get the first package here. Here so it doesn't drip. Yeah, the last package that I received, oh man, it smelled like something had died. Because all the plants were melted, and it just was horrible. This one looks like it's a lot better. Let's check this out. So this should be all the baby tears. Yes. I bought a bunch of baby tears, and I'm going to try to grow them again. A little bit in the 20 and a little bit in the 125. But yep, so these are all the baby tears. They came in much better. Like, you see how like these are really green? Yeah, the last, when it came in all melted, like, oh, this one's really good here. This one's really good. But they came in this color, like it was all mushy and just brown and black, but this one's good. Yeah, so these are all the baby tears I bought. I'm gonna probably throw 2 of them into the 20 gallon and then the rest into the 125 and try to carpet this guy. The next one, I'm gonna kind of use the other end here. Should be my stem plant. So awesome. So they definitely didn't forget about replacing those other plants that died from the first shipment. So that's great. Thank you. Take a look at this. See what I got in here. Can you guys see this? Just kind of, oh, there we go. Alright. Here are the stem plants. Okay. Still nice and moist. Alright, yes, colors. Yeah, well, one of them kind of looks like it's dying. Okay, so at least they have leaves, and some of them were a little melted in the bottom, which is okay, but a lot better than before, for sure. Alright. So these went with these here. Yeah, so there you go. Again, so these are from aquariumplants.com. Looks like everything arrived good this time around.